Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of English on Autopilot. I'm Daniel, and I'm so excited you're here. This is the start of something special, a place where practicing English feels easy, fun, and part of your everyday life.
And I'm Charity. We're so happy you're here with us. This is the very beginning of our journey together, and we want to say a big thank you for starting with us today. Think of this channel as your safe space to learn, laugh, and grow in English from the very first step.
Exactly. We'll keep things simple, clear, and interactive. You'll listen, repeat, and practice with us, just like chatting with friends. And together, we'll build your confidence step by step.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you can grow with us from day one.
All right, so let's talk about why daily practice is such a game changer. It's like building a muscle. You don't need to lift a huge weight once, you just need those little daily repetitions.
Exactly, Daniel. And we want to make it feel real and doable, like having a chat over coffee. So let's teach each other some simple phrases that fit into daily life. And you, listeners, join in too.
Okay, Charity, I'll teach you one first. I wake up at 7. Can you repeat it?
Sure. I wake up at 7. And now let's make it longer. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Listeners, your turn. Say it with me.
Nice. Now it's your turn to teach me.
All right, Daniel, try this. My quick breakfast is banana.
Got it. My quick breakfast is banana. And let's add a variation. My breakfast is bread and tea. Everyone listening, repeat with us. Okay, here's one for you, Charity. I brush my teeth.
Easy. I brush my teeth. And now, I brush my teeth every morning. Listeners, say it 3 times. That's how it sticks.
Perfect. Now you give me one.
Try this. I drink water every morning.
I drink water every morning. And variation, I drink a glass of water after breakfast. Join us. Repeat it out loud. Last one from me. I listen to music after lunch.
I listen to music after lunch. And variation, I listen to soft music in the evening. Everyone, say it together.
See how we're teaching each other? That's the same way you can practice with a friend or with us here.
Exactly. And listeners, think about your own day. What's one thing you do every morning? Maybe I make tea or I check my phone. Try saying it now.
Good job. Remember, don't just say it once. Repeat 3 times. Listen, speak, listen again. That's how you build confidence.
Everyone, tell us, what's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments and try to write it in English. We'd love to see your answers.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English gets easier when you do it daily. See you in the next episode of English on Autopilot.